Hi, I'm Leslie with Row by Row Experience, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Google Map on the Row by Row Experience homepage to find stores along your route. Let's jump in. Okay, I'm going to start by going to rowbyrowexperience.com. This is the new Row by Row website, and I'm going to scroll all the way down until I find the map. Now, you are able to expand this map into a new tab, and it opens in the full window. For the purposes of the first part of this video, I'm going to stay within this website functionality, but I'm going to show you something really neat when you do view the larger map. So for now, my first step is to go to the left-hand side, and this is going to open up a really neat search tool that will help you find the shops in specific areas. I am going to be planning my trip in the Midwest. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to uncheck all of the places that are not the Midwest so that I'm only seeing the shops within the Midwest. And I'm going to zoom in by closing that window and pressing the zoom feature. And I am going to search in Illinois. I'm going to be traveling in Northern Illinois. So when I click this down arrow, it will show you all of the shops within the state. So I'm going to scroll to Illinois, and here are all the shops in Illinois. Now let's say I know I'm going to be going through Rockford. So I'm going to click on this, and we have the Lucky Quilt Company. If we have a row for this company, it will show up here. And when I click on the photo, the full row comes up, which is very helpful. It also has street address, city, so this is in Pecatonica, phone number, website if they have it. It will also note if they are doing Row by Row Junior and if they are doing 9th row. Something that is very important, we want to be sure that you call the store before you visit to check store hours. They are not all the same, so be sure that you call ahead so that they will be open when you get there. Another neat feature that you can access here is if you click on this diamond with the arrow, it will pop up a new tab. And if you choose your starting point, let's see, I'm going to say I am in Syracuse, New York. It will give you directions to that shop. So that is a really neat feature that you can use to easily plan your route. Close out this tab and go back here. Now I'm going to show you how to use an additional tool if you view the larger map, which is on the upper right hand corner. If you click that, the map will open up in a brand new tab. It is much larger, it takes up more of my screen. I'm going to zoom in, and here's a neat feature. It's the search feature that will show up when you open the larger map. I am going to search for a shop name that I know, which is so unique. So there are a few with that title. I am looking for So Unique Threads because I know I'm going to be going through there. So if I search for that name, it will pop up. I can check out the row, which is really neat. I can look at all of their information. So be sure to take advantage of that search functionality. Another search functionality that is very fun, if I know I'm going to be in Chicago, I can search in Chicago and look at the two shops that come up when I search: Second City Quilt Company and the Quilter's Trunk. So using this map, you can plan your routes and you can find new shops that you didn't know existed or find existing shops. I hope you have a great summer with Row by Row Experience, and let us know if you have any questions.